Now illustration number 13. Debentures were issued at par and were redeemed at a premium. Now, it is a very typical situation that debentures we are issuing at par, but we are going to redeem. We are going to redeem these debentures at a premium. So it's a new concept. So far, what we have done is we were doing that debentures are issued at either par or at a premium, but they are redeemed at par. Now we are going to see they are redeemed at a premium. So please be careful. Let's read the question. Illustration 13. On 1/8/2017, Namaskar Limited issued 8,009% debentures of 100 each at par. These debentures are to be redeemed on 31/7/2022 at 120 per debenture. So you can see over here we are issuing debenture at rupees 100, but we are going to pay back to our debenture holders 120. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the company for issue of redemption of debentures without narration. So let's start with the entries. Now over here, we have to understand that you are going to collect rupees 100 from debenture holder, but you are going to give back rupees 120. So you have to be careful over here that you are collecting rupees 100, but you have to pay back rupees 20. So this is 20 rupees is basically your loss. तुम्हें ज्यादा पे करना पड़ेगा. You have to pay more. So please be careful. Let's start. Let's write the date. Let's write the heading first. Page number 89. Illustration number 13. Now, in the books of Namaskar Limited, now date. Because date is given, we'll have to write the date. So 1/8/2017 is the date. Please write the date. Now let's write the first entry. Bank account debit. So how many debentures? 8,000 debentures into rupees. We are going to collect only rupees 100 from debenture holders. So debit 8 lakhs to debenture application and allotment account. Eight lakhs. Close this entry. Now, as you can see, 100 rupees we have collected. Now we have to transfer this. We have to transfer this to our liability account now. Sorry, to our yes liability account, that is debenture account. Now please be careful over here. Okay, this is a very important entry. Debenture application and allotment account. debit 8 lakhs. Now, see over here, over here, you can see that debentures are to be redeemed after 5 years for 120. So, at the time when I'm issuing the debentures, I'm giving commitment to my debenture holders that I will pay back rupees 120. So, the moment I have committed that I'll be paying 20 more, my loss is incurred. So, I will debit loss on issue of debenture account. Now, what will be the loss I have committed extra amount? 8,000 debenture into rupees 20. It comes to 1,60,000. 2. What percent? 9% debenture account. Debenture always with the face value. So 8,000 debenture into face value rupees 100. So 8 lakh. Now, students, please be careful that this 20 rupees we have committed, but we are not going to pay right now. We are going to pay after 5 years. But because I have committed, it is my loss. At the same time, after 5 years, I have to pay this extra 20 rupees, which is my liability. So I credit this to a liability account. Please be careful. Next effect, what we are going to give is basically a liability account. So to premium on redemption of debenture account. Right in the bracket 8,000 debentures into rupees 20. This is a liability account. So 1,60,000. So please be careful. This premium on redemption of debenture, it is a liability account. Okay, you can write right now by putting a dash key liability, so you know this credit of premium on redemption is not our income, it's our liability. So this is a very important entry. I will highlight it and close it. So this is the entry at the time of issue. Now, what happens when we redeem this? So redemption takes place on 31/7/2022. 31/7/2022. Now, when we are going to redeem, we first cancel our debentures. 9% debenture account, 8,000 debentures into face value rupees 100, 8 lakhs. Now, when I'm redeeming these, cancelling these debentures, this liability also I have to pay along with this debenture amount. So I will now debit this account, premium on redemption of debenture account, 1,60,000, and to debenture holder. Now I'll also mention over here that we have to pay back 8,000 debenture holder into rupees 120. So 9,60,000. Close the entry. And then finally, debenture holder account debit 9,60,000 to bank account. So that's it. Close it. As per the textbook, you don't have to do the totals, but I still suggest you do the totals so that there is no scope for anyone to deduct any marks. So please do the totals. Go through it, see if you have any doubt. Now, illustration 14, again a typical one. Debentures issued at a discount and redeemed at a premium. So now see what sort of debentures are these. Now you are issuing at a discount, yani you are collecting amount less than the face value, but you are paying more than the face value. यानी double नुकसान. एक तो discount का नुकसान and then redemption at a premium, that is also your loss. So let's check this out. On 1/4/2017, Prarthana Limited issued 6,011% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 5%. So please write at 95. Over here discount के पास लिख दो 95. Then all the debentures are to be redeemed after 6 years as on 31/3/2023 at a premium. So they are to be redeemed at a premium, means the company has to pay more at 10%. So you write down 110. So you collected 95, but you have to pay back 110. So this is what the concept is over here. So let's start with the entries. Write the heading, page number 90 of the textbook. Illustration number 40 in the books of Prarthana Limited. Ready with the format? Should I start the sum? Okay. Now, let's write the entry for issue 1/4/2017. Bank account debit. Now 6,000 debentures into, now here instead of getting 100, we are going to collect only rupees 95 discounted. 100 minus 5 discount. Debit. So 6,000 into 95. 5,70,000 to debenture application and allotment account. 5,70,000. This is a very simple entry, first one, but second one very important. So please be careful. Debenture application and allotment account. Debit 5,70,000. Now we are issuing this at a discount. So discount on debenture account. So 6,000 debentures into rupees 5. 30,000. But here, this is not the end of the loss for the company because discount at the time of issue, but premium at the time of redemption. What is the premium? 10%. So loss on issue of debenture 6,000 debentures into rupees 10, debit 60,000 to 11% debenture account. I'll write in bracket 6,000 debentures into face value. Always with the face value 6 lakh 2. Premium, the liability I'm creating which I have to pay after 6 years. Premium on redemption of debenture account 6,000 debentures into rupees 10, 60,000. Always cross verify, debit should be equal to credit 6 lakh 60, 6 lakh 60. Close it. Extremely important transaction. The second entry is extremely important. Now, redemption at the time of redemption, that is 31/3/2023. So 31/3/2023. We have to cancel the debentures. So 11% debenture account 6,000 debentures into face value 100, debit 6 lakh. Now we have to pay this liability, so we debit the liability. Premium on redemption of debenture account, debit 60,000 to debenture holders account. So we are transferring this liability to debenture holder account, and from there we will pay the debenture holders. And then finally, debenture holders account, debit 6 lakh 60,000 to bank account. Liability paid off. That's it. Close it and do the total. Go through it and see if you have any doubts. This is the important entry. Please be careful. Always write in brackets so that you don't make a mistake. समझ में आया सबको ये condition? Okay, great. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's start. Now let's read the question. Your we are going to see the condition debentures issued at a premium and redeemable at a premium. So we are collecting more than face value and we are paying more than face value to our debenture holders. Very typical case over here. On 1/6/2017, Vandana Limited issued 10,000 8% debenture of 200 each. Your face value is of 200 at a premium of 5%. So here they are we are going to issue the debentures at 105. So here we have security premium, that is 5 rupees. So we are going to collect at, sorry, 5%. So we are going to collect 210 from our debenture holders. Okay, please be careful about this. Now debentures are redeemed on 31/5/2022 at 220 per debenture. So we are collecting 210, but we have to pay back 220. So write the necessary journal entries in the books of the company. Please write the heading and let's start. 1/6/2017. 1/6/2017 bank account. Now we have over here 10,000 debentures into, we are going to collect 210. So debit 21 lakh to debenture application and allotment account 21 lakhs. Next one, very tricky and very important. Please pay attention to it. Debenture application and allotment account debit 21 lakh two. Now, sorry, before two. Now over here, 21 lakh is what we have received towards application and allotment. But now over here, we also have committed that the debentures will be redeemed at 220 per debenture. So we have committed 20 rupees more than the face value. So that is our loss. So loss on issue of debenture account 10,000 into rupees 20. So 2 lakhs, 2. What percent debentures? 8%. 8% debenture account. Debenture always with the face value. All right, face value 200, 20 lakh, 2. Now here debentures were issued at a premium. So to securities premium account. 10,000 debentures into rupees premium of rupees 10, 5%. So 1 lakh and 2. We have committed that we will pay 20 more at the time of redemption. So we have to create a liability premium on redemption of debenture. 10,000 debentures into rupees 20. 2 lakh. 23 lakh, cross verify, close it. Now over here you can see two securities premium account. This security premium account is our income account and premium on redemption is our liability account. So please be careful. Okay, both are not the same. Both are credit, both have the word premium, but the security premium is our income, capital income, and premium on redemption is our liability. Are committing that we are going to pay after how many years over here? It's not give, yeah, it is 2022, so 5 years. So here we are committing that we are going to pay after 5 years. So please be careful. This is a liability account, and other one is a income account. Next, now on redemption after 5 years, so 31 5 2022. Let's cancel the debentures. 8% debenture account, 10,000 debenture into face value 200, debit 20 lakh, then premium we have committed we are going to pay more, so that's why we use the word premium. Premium on redemption of debenture account, debit 2 lakhs to debenture holder account 2,20,000. And then finally, debenture holder account debit to bank 2,20,000. That's it. Close it. This is 22 lakh, and that's why it was not matching. So 22 lakh, 22. So do the totals. 88 lakh, 88 lakh. I hope you have understood all the three conditions. Now there is a typical sum. Okay. Illustration number 17. 16, 17 are very similar, but I will take up 17 right now because 17 has a discount also and premium also. So make format for illustration number 17. Again 16, 17. All these sums what we are doing today are extremely important for exam. Now, illustration 17, again, market important. Dixit Electric Limited issued 7,007% debenture as on 1/1/2017 of rupees 500 each at a discount of 6%. So your debenture are of rupees 500. So 500 is the face value of debentures. 500 is the face value of debentures and discount is 6%, so 30 rupees. All the debentures are redeemable at a premium of 5%. So you will issue all these debentures at 470, but you are going to give back 5% more. So 525. The amount was payable as follows: on application 300 per debenture, on allotment balance amount per debenture. So your application is separate, allotment is separate. Past journal entries for issue of debentures in the books of the company. So at the time of application, it is 300 and allotment, it will be rupees 200. But discount and all, we will be adjusting on allotment. So this will have discount of rupees 6%, that is 30. So net is 170. So on allotment, we will be collecting 170 rupees. Okay, please do this working, small working, which I have done over here. So total is 500 face value. Please do the small working. Now write the heading: journal entries in the books of Dixit Electrical Limited. Now again dates are given, so we have to write the dates, and here we have to write journal entries only for issue of debentures. We have to write entry only for issue. We don't have to write anything for redemption. Okay, so 1/1/2017 bank account debit, debentures are 7,000 into rupees. We are going to call for 300 rupees right now. Debit 21 lakh to debenture application account. That's it. Because we are calling application and allotment separately. Next, everything will be on the same date. Application amount what we have received, and again we transfer it to our liability account. Now debenture application account debit 21 lakhs to 7% debenture account to 7% debenture account 21 lakh. Now allotment dates are not given, so we are not writing the dates. We don't know, we are writing the number, serial number. That is what is done in the textbook. So we follow the same. Okay, so this is given one, entry number one. This is given entry number two, and this is given entry number three. Now we are calling the allotment account. So debenture, very important entry, allotment account. Now 7,000 debentures into rupees 170 is what we are calling. So 7,000 into 170, 11 lakh 90,000. Now your debentures are issued at a discount of 6%. Okay, so discount on debenture account, 7,000 debentures into rupees 30, 2 lakh 10,000. Again, premium. We are going to redeem these debentures at a premium. So we have committed. So it is our loss on issue of debenture account. 7,000 debenture into rupees. How much we have committed? 5% into 25. 7,000 into 25. 1,75,000 to 7% debenture account, always with the face value 200. 14 lakh to premium liability account on redemption of debenture. Right in bracket 7,000 into rupees 25. 1,75,000. Close this important entry. So all adjustments will be done at the time of allotment for discount for loss and premium on redemption liability account. So this loss is our loss. Okay, this is our deferred revenue expense. It will be written off over a period of 6 years for this sum. And the premium on redemption of debenture is our liability account. That's why we credit it. Now, fourth, we received the money, so bank account. Now we are going to receive how much? 7,000 into rupees 170. So 11 lakh 90,000 to debenture allotment account. 11 lakh 90,000. You don't have to write entry for redemption. And if you have to write, you know the entry, you can write it as your homework for practice. Let's close this. There was a typo. It is 21 lakh over here. and do the totals. So 69 lakh 65,000, 69 lakh 65,000, double underline total. That's it. Go through the sum. This entry is very important. So please do all these illustrations and exercise some for homework. You can refer my video lecture, write the standard entries from my video lecture, which is there in the app, and then do all these sums once again. They are extremely important for exam. A 3 mark sum like this will surely come in your exam.